In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace in a simple and straightforward way. If you've been looking to seamlessly integrate these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. This guide will take you through each step with clarity to ensure you're up and running in no time. First off, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. This is your starting point, and having your credentials at the ready will help you dive right into the setup without any hitches. Once logged in, the next move involves navigating to two main areas: content and memberships. This section essentially organizes how you manage subscribers, memberships, and other content-related tasks, making it a foundational area in your Squarespace setup. Once you have accessed the content and membership section, look for a gear icon. Clicking on this leads you into the settings area. From here, you will want to direct your attention to the payment options. This is where you configure how your transactions will be managed and processed through your site. Selecting payment options is crucial as it lays the groundwork for connecting with Stripe, a leading online payment processing system. Next, an option to connect Stripe will be visible. Simply locate the Connect button beside the Stripe option and click on it. This action initiates the integration process between Squarespace and Stripe, bringing you one step closer to completing this task. Following this, you'll be prompted to engage in a verification process. This step is important for ensuring the security and legitimacy of your business details. Take a moment to carefully follow any instructions that pop up during this verification stage. Once verification is complete, you'll need to go ahead and log into your Stripe account. If you haven't yet set up a Stripe account, now would be the time to do so. Otherwise, just input your Stripe credentials to log in, thereby linking your Squarespace site with your Stripe account. As you walk through these steps, keep in mind that you're building a robust online presence with the ability to handle financial transactions efficiently and securely. Connecting Stripe with Squarespace not only enhances your site's e-commerce capabilities, but also ensures you're providing a reliable payment method for your customers. And there you have it, a simple yet effective integration of Stripe into your Squarespace site. Congratulations on setting yourself up for seamless online transactions. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to review any steps as needed to ensure your setup is complete and functioning smoothly. Happy selling!